Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. Today, DIY. We are going to be making our very own watch drawer. You need a watch case from Amazon, foam from something like Joann Fabric, scissors, measuring tape. I think that's it. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is from IKEA. You can use whatever, but this is what I have. It's from IKEA. It's called the Hauga. It's 24¼ inches by 16 inches is the drawer. Measure that a few times to make sure, because you don't want to have to buy that foam again. It was like $19. It's kind of expensive. So here I'm measuring the drawer on the actual foam. Measure twice, cut once. You know the drill. I cut with scissors. I was going to use like an X-Acto knife. Scissors is way easier with this material. So we're still cutting out the actual piece for the drawer. Not on video here. I do actually take it when it's done and fit it right into the drawer. So I knew after the first attempt it fit perfectly. So now we actually have this watch, I guess you would call it a case or a box from Amazon. Kind of set it on top, drew around it. Obviously I did more measuring to make sure everything was centered. But I'm not going to bore you guys with all that. Got all the measurements on here for you guys. I'll put links to everything in the description as well. Now we go into the closet, back into the drawer, lay this foam insert down. I kind of left the back propped up a little so I can kind of slide the actual watch in there, which you'll see here, the watch case. This kind of slides in nice. Once I get that fitted, I go across very gently with the front with a butter knife. Just kind of pull that foam back and push down kind of gently with the actual watch case. Make sure that all fits perfectly. It's pretty easy, pretty cheap, pretty easy. Highly recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Pretty simple. If you do it, comment below, send me a link, send me some pictures, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, Bond's Apartment. Thank you guys as always for watching. Catch you on the next one.